So I'm working on a couple of locks and I'm having absolutely no luck with them. I have a Tessa T60, a Bilock, a Kiso, and a Kaba that I've just been having no luck with this week at all. Like, no luck at all. And I'm starting to get frustrated, and really frustrated. So I was like, you know what? I need to walk away. I need to do something else. So I decided to go check out an Amazon bin or Amazon return bin store, and I got half of a set of a deadbolt for $1. It had the top, but not the knob thing. But that's not the point. It didn't even have the keys. I don't need keys. But so just for something, I got this. So I'm gonna try to open it 3 ways. Let's see. First, obviously, covert companion, single-sided jiggler. I'm not even gonna put this thing in the vise. Just gonna do it by hand. There we go. All right, so single-sided jiggler. And we're gonna do covert instruments wave break. All right. Keep that in this frame. Pry bar. Sorry about this terrible camera angle. Peterson's. Click on 1, nothing on 2, 3. Oh, I overset number 1. Okay. Click on 1, nothing on 2. Let's click on 3. Click on 4. Click on 5. Click on 2, and it's open. So yep, that is a T-Locks deadbolt that I got for $1 today.